Your immune system is quietly losing ground right now, and after age 60, it takes up to 3 times longer to fight off a cold or flu than it did in your 40s. Every season you skip extra support, your body is working harder with fewer defenses. Today, that changes. Welcome back. Today we're talking about one of nature's most talked about immune boosters, elderberry. If you've seen it on shelves and wondered whether it actually works or whether it's safe for you specifically, you're in exactly the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know what elderberry can realistically do for your immune health, how to use it safely as an older adult, and what to watch out for. Let's get into it. Here's something most people don't realize. Aging doesn't just affect your joints or your energy. It changes how your immune system operates at a cellular level. Your bodies become slower to recognize threats, slower to respond, and slower to recover. That's not a personal failing. It's biology. And it's exactly why so many seniors find themselves catching every bug that goes around and then struggling to shake it for weeks. The good news is that there are gentle plant-based tools that can give your natural defenses a helpful nudge. Elderberry is one of the most studied of these, and when used correctly, it may be a meaningful piece of your immune support puzzle this season and beyond. So what is it about this small, dark purple berry that makes it worth talking about? Elderberries are loaded with compounds called anthocyanins. Those are the pigments that give them their rich, deep color. These anthocyanins act as powerful antioxidants, which means they help neutralize the kind of cellular stress that can wear your immune system down over time. But elderberry goes a step further. Some small clinical trials suggest it may actually help reduce how long flu-like illnesses last and make symptoms feel less severe, especially when you start taking it early, right at the first sign of a cold or flu. Researchers believe elderberry may support immune signaling, helping your body mount a faster, more organized response to viruses. It's not magic, but the science is genuinely promising. Now here's where we need to slow down and be really honest with you, because safety matters more than anything else. Elderberry is generally well tolerated by most people, but there are specific situations where you need to have a conversation with your doctor first. If you have an autoimmune condition like rheumatoid arthritis or lupus, elderberry may stimulate immune activity in ways that could interfere with your treatment. If you take anticoagulants, diabetes medications, or immune-modulating therapies, check with your clinician before starting. Also, and this is important, never eat raw elderberries. The raw berries, leaves, and stems can cause serious stomach upset. Always choose commercially prepared, processed products. And watch out for elderberry syrups and gummies loaded with added sugar, which can be a concern if you're managing diabetes or dental health. Okay, so you've talked to your doctor, you've chosen a quality product, and you're ready to go. Here's how to make elderberry work for you practically. If you prefer syrups, a common preventative dose is about 1 teaspoon daily, up to 1 tablespoon, during active illness, following your product's label. If you prefer capsules, a typical adult dose is 300 to 600 milligrams of elderberry extract per day, taken in divided doses with food to protect your stomach. Gummies and lozenges are great if swallowing pills is difficult. Just mind the sugar content. The easiest way to remember it? Pair elderberry with something you already do every morning. Stir the syrup into your oatmeal or yogurt, or take your capsule alongside your other morning supplements. Consistency is what makes the difference. And always start with a smaller dose first to see how your body responds. If this video helped you understand elderberry better, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps more seniors find this information. Subscribe so you don't miss our next video on natural immune support strategies. And drop a comment below. Have you tried elderberry before? I'd love to hear your experience. If you want the elderberry syrup I recommend, the link is in the description. Your immune health is worth protecting, and small, informed choices like this one add up to a stronger, more resilient you. You don't have to do everything at once. Just start with one good habit today. As always, consult your doctor before starting any new health routine.